In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing sales tax, payroll liabilities, or loans, setting up liability accounts correctly is essential for keeping your finances organized and ensuring accurate reporting. Liability accounts help you track what your business owes, and setting them up in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and use liability accounts effectively within the platform. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're on the main page, look toward the top right corner and locate the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This section is where all your accounts are listed, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look to the top right again and click the Add Account button. This will open up a form where you can create a new account. Now, it's time to name your liability account. Be specific and clear when entering the name. For example, if you're creating an account for taxes you owe, you might name it Sales Tax Payable. Other examples could be Payroll Liabilities or Loan Payable. Giving the account a precise name helps you and anyone else using QuickBooks understand its purpose at a glance. Next, you'll need to select the account type. Since we're working with liabilities, choose either Other Current Liabilities or Long-Term Liabilities. Use Other Current Liabilities for debts or obligations that you expect to settle within a year, such as payroll taxes or short-term loans. For obligations that will take longer than a year to pay off, such as a long-term loan, select Long-Term Liabilities. After selecting the account type, choose a detail type that best matches the specific nature of the liability. QuickBooks provides a list of detail types to help categorize your account more precisely. For example, if you're creating an account for a loan, you might choose Notes Payable as the detail type. If you're setting up this account partway through the year or transitioning from another system, you can optionally enter the account's unpaid balance and the starting date. This ensures that your QuickBooks records align with your actual financial situation. If you're not sure about these numbers, you can leave them blank and update them later when you have the information. To make the account even clearer, you can add a brief description. This step is optional but can be very helpful, especially when you have multiple accounts with similar names. Use the description field to note any important details about the account's purpose or timing. Once all the necessary fields are filled out, click the Save button to create your liability account. QuickBooks will add the new account to your chart of accounts. To confirm the account has been created, scroll through the chart of accounts and look for the name you just added. If you see it listed, you've successfully created your new liability account. Finally, whenever you're recording expense transactions that relate to this liability, make sure to use your new account in the category field. This ensures that the transaction is accurately linked to the correct liability and reflected properly in your financial reports. And there you have it. You've successfully created a liability account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.